Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by enabling Linux on your Chromebook because Roblox's Windows client needs a Linux container to run. First, confirm your model supports Crostini and free disk space is available. Otherwise, install on a supported device. In Settings, open Linux Beta and turn it on. Follow prompts to set a username and allocate disk space. Once done, run sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade to ensure packages are current. This prevents installation errors later on and speeds up downloads. Now you'll install Wine to run the Roblox Windows installer. Wine translates Windows calls into Linux. Open the Linux terminal and install Wine Stable or Wine Development, then run winec to create a Wine prefix and set the Windows version to Windows 10 for compatibility. Next, move the Roblox exe into the Linux files directory, then run Wine Roblox Player Launcher. Exe. Watch for prompts to install dependencies. Accept and allow the installer to complete. This step converts the Windows client into a runnable app inside your container. Finally, you'll launch Roblox through Wine using the full executable path in the terminal, which starts the game inside the Linux container. If performance or rendering looks wrong, use Winatrix to install DirectX and Core fonts. That often fixes textures and shaders. Make sure 3D acceleration is enabled in your Chromebook settings and that your container has sufficient RAM and disk space. Increasing the Linux VM allocation can solve crashes. If installation fails, reinstall Wine, check logs, and retry after rebooting the container.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.